May 2026. This is your latest construction update from Grand Solaire Noble, the future 50-story luxury skyscraper rising in the very heart of Pattaya. We are standing on a site spanning 12,500 square meters, located directly on the prestigious Third Road. And while the aerial view may not reveal everything happening here, the scale of work taking place below the surface is truly remarkable. Since our last update in November 2025, the project has advanced into a critical foundation phase. Deep underground, at a depth of 40 meters, more than 500 concrete piles have already been installed. They form an invisible, yet absolutely essential backbone for a structure that will one day carry dozens of floors of luxury residences. And the work continues. The piling rigs on site are not stopping. Running in parallel, an extensive earthworks operation is underway. A total of 40,000 cubic meters of soil must be excavated and removed, equivalent to approximately 4,000 fully loaded trucks. This space will give way to the foundations for water storage tanks, the building's technical infrastructure, and most importantly, the elevator shafts, the structural core without which a skyscraper of this scale simply could not function. Every great building begins in the ground. And Grand Solaire Noble is proof of exactly that. Stay with us. The next construction update will bring another step upward. Start your plan B now. www.THAI-investproperty.com